Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to access device settings and scroll down. Then choose additional settings, click on languages and input, manage keyboards and Gboard. Over here go into theme. Now you can scroll down and select show more to see all available ones. Tap on the best one for you, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to manage them, and finally select apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go back into the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon at the top under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply by tapping on it, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Following that, choose done, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to switch them on or off and click on apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!